Do you know what truly helps your video go viral on YouTube? As YouTubers, we often focus heavily on content. But the most important thing that grabs viewers' attention isn't always the content itself, it's the thumbnail of your video. A good, eye-catching thumbnail can attract viewers instantly. Even if your video content is average, people will click just because the thumbnail looks interesting. That's the power of presentation. Now, let's get to the main topic. You may already know that YouTube Shorts doesn't allow uploading a custom thumbnail image directly, especially not like regular long-form videos. You can only select a frame from your video using the YouTube mobile app. And yes, they give you a few text options and styles, but what if you want to use your own custom thumbnail image, with your design, text, and branding? Here's a simple life hack to do exactly that. Open your video editing software. I'm using VideoPad editor, but you can use any editor like CapCut, VN, or Premiere Pro. Import the image you want to use as a thumbnail. Add that image to the very end of your video timeline, as the last frame. Set its duration to 0.2 to 0.3 seconds so it doesn't appear noticeably at the end when viewers watch it. Now export or save the video as usual. Upload the final video to YouTube Shorts. After uploading, open the YouTube app on your phone, tap on your video, then tap the pencil icon, Edit, on your profile video. You'll now be able to choose the last frame, which is your custom image. And that's it, done! Now your Shorts video has a custom thumbnail that grabs attention, like a pro. If you found this trick useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more smart tech hacks and smart tips.